Hello everyone and welcome to the Triple T Trade channel. My name is Anna and today I decided to try a new format and show you trading. Trading on the platform with a personal example. Video tutorials of course are great, but nothing can replace real-life examples. I will show you the simplest and perhaps the most common strategy which is perfect for the beginners in Forex. So let's start with the pound-dollar pair. To begin with, we will use a common indicator called RSI. It helps to determine if the market is oversold, the indicator is below 30, or if the market is overbought, then the indicator is above 70. In our case, we see that the indicator started to rise while the price was falling. It is called divergence. To confirm, I build a line on the extremos, the lower points of the chart. And now we choose a larger time frame and look for the resistance line on the historical data. Let's even take more, a week. We find a strong resistance line in April 2020 and there is a high probability that this level will not be passed immediately. We can see how today and yesterday the price has already beaten against this level. Let's go back to the hour time frame. We can also see several candles with long shadows, signaling a price reversal. The so-called hammers, several inverted and one as if normal. So we have as many as 3 signals that say that the price will go up. I list 10,000 units and buy. So great. The deal is closed. Here it is on the chart. But now we need to put a stop loss and take profit. They will automatically close the deal, fix the profit or loss, so we don't have to sit in front of the screen all the time to control. So now the price of the pair is approximately 1.244. I set the take profit at 1.250. Let's not be greedy so fast. Great. And we put a stop loss at about at 1.2395. in order not to go strongly into the red if the strategy doesn't work. So we'll even slightly correct it so that it is a bit lower than the minimum price before. Okay, great. Done. Let me show you one pattern quite popular, head and shoulders. We have it here, but in general, on different platforms, everything is in different places, only the names are the same. Here we will also need to draw several lines on the chart. We go along the peaks on the upper lower prices, and in general you and I we can predict the price by putting a line like this. As you can see, we have an inverted head and shoulders. According to the law, the price should go approximately along this line. And we will check it out with you tomorrow. Next, I will do the same on the euro-dollar and dollar-yen pairs. So, in general, we got almost identical signals on the euro-dollar pair, so I made a generally similar uptrade. And we switch to the dollar-yen. So, I'm at the third trade, although it was a little more difficult to determine the resistance line on the history of the chart. And then I actually noticed one interesting feature. In all 3 cases, we made deals to reduce the dollar. I switched to the dollar chart and it's true. Here you can see on the RSI that it is strongly overbought. And we should expect divergence, that is, its price will be expected to decline in almost any pair. But we will sum up the results only tomorrow. So, yesterday I made 3 trades. They all automatically closed thanks to take profit, and let's take a quick look at the charts we've come up with. On the euro-dollar pair, everything as a whole went as expected. But look at the pound-dollar, the price rose much stronger, and it was possible to set the take profit also higher, but not here. Although greed is also a bad thing, especially at the start. And here, as expected, everything is successful. Ta-da! So we have used a fairly simple and effective strategy that is helpful for any beginner. It is good because here we used 3 signals to confirm our theory. In this case, of course, I could earn much more, but my goal was to show you not only the strategy itself, but also to kind of teach you how to be satisfied even with little. After all, it is better to make 10 transactions with a small profit than to drain all the money on only one, but unsuccessful. I really hope that you understood everything, but if you have any questions, you are free to write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, so for sure we will show some more useful strategies pretty soon. My name is Anna, I was glad to spend this time with you guys, and see you soon.